Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we're at Wekfest LA. Today is actually the day for setup. We've been here since like noon. It's already almost 4. Finally getting close to getting in. We got the All Aspects boys. So many amazing builds. There was like an R34 GTR that wouldn't start and they had to like push it and then it finally started. I think we're unloading now. I don't know if we're gonna get my car in just yet, but it's been a huge mess. I'm gonna go help them set up real quick. Thanks for coming along. We made it, brother.
After 5 hours of waiting in line.
We always have a pretty good spot. That's the perks of having a booth, paying all the extra money. Damn, this shit is black. Dude, huge shout out to Danny at Culture Auto Spa for doing the ceramic coat last minute. Paint correction came out fire under the spotlights. I think this is bigger than Slammed Enough. I already did a little quick detail, but I might do a little bit more. Jeez, look at all these freaking cars. Damn. It's so sick because our booth is usually always near the front, which I love because that's where you get the most attention and people come to the booth and talk to you, buy some merch. I love indoor shows way more. You get AC, hang out with a bunch of people, and there's no sun beaming down and making it like kind of a drag to be here. And we get a sneak peek at all the builds way before everyone else. Like, sheesh. Got the red cars over here looking clean. So this BMW was behind me, but I guess it got to going first. I love this. The wheels, fucking fire. Great choice. Oh my God, fully chromed out. Wide body. Definitely one of my favorite cars here. Jerm, where you at? Got this clean gem hiding over here. Wow, so you're telling me Andres couldn't have his freaking taco in here, but we have all these tacos? It's so sick. I can't wait for all the good vibes tomorrow, and it just feels good to be back in a show. My car is like, I want to say 85% clean. We're gonna get it up to like 95, 99 eventually, but I think it's still good enough. I feel like every single vehicle here is just too clean, like no clapped out cars, so mine's probably the most clapped out of all of them. Oh, we got the Kuruma boys. Taylor's build, always so fire. Ah, this goals. Super goals. Damn. You brought 2 cars or what?
That's my best friend's car.
Ah, what's up?
Hi, how are you?
Good to see you again.
Yeah, you as well.
Finally, I get to see the new wrap in person. Sheesh. God damn. Oh, you know, we got the spooky vibes here. That is so clean. I don't really know if the camera can get this shine, but dude, wraps are getting so good, it's almost like paint. I don't know if I want to wrap the Supra or paint it. I'm just such a paint guy because you get every little thing. I don't know. Put down in the comments below, should I wrap the Supra or should I paint it? I love paint. Yeah, there's so much more to come. Look at that cute little Lexus over there. All right, coach, put me in.
Ready? That corner, baby.
Man, GTR. Going fishing or what, brother?
About to catch you a big one.
Get your anal beads here. Get your anal beads here. The All Aspects booth. All Aspects beads. Sheesh. Looking beastie. What up? Oh. And this red just shines. BBS boys. Shout out to Ticket Dismissers coming through. BBS, please sponsor me. I just want all your wheels. God damn. Ah. I want to do my wheels brushed someday too. It's just the BBS way. Finally get to see this in person. God damn, that side skirt sticks out so much. That shit'll cut my Achilles. This wrap is so sick, fuck. What up, what up?
Nice to meet you.
You too, bro. Damn, I know your car, this thing is fire.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Damn. Oh, that color. That is fire. I wouldn't even mind getting pulled over by him. It's so sick. Damn. Oof. I feel really bad for all the people still coming in. They're gonna be here for another couple hours. So we'll finish setting up tomorrow, have the rack. Goodbye, car. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, it's the next day. We made it to the event finally. We had a rough start.
Where the fuck is your mask?
It's just for the vlog right now. I'm gonna put it on as soon as I'm done filming this place.
Is coming. Yeah.
Finished setting up. German, all the boys handled this. Sheesh! All the goodies. Where the fuck is the Lexus?
I just sold out, my boy. Sold out.
No, it didn't, because we could just make more.
True.
We got my girlfriend filling out my long ass mod list. Thank you again, babe. Everything looking good. We came super late. We got here right when the event started. We're supposed to be here an hour before just to like set everything up because we didn't have zip ties and shit happens, but we made it. The show's already pretty filled up, but more people are gonna come because they were just right outside. All right, let's go look at some builds since there's way more cars here now than yesterday because when we left, people were still coming in to set up their rows and everything. Ooh. I love stickers. It smells so good over here. It smells like Japan. Oh, damn. All right, we're coming back. We are coming. What the hell is this? The Nissan Type R. I need a GTR in my life.
Me too.
Or one of these. Holy shit. What is this? This is amazing. Oh my god, that is freaking sharp. This is the most spiffy GTR I've seen. This shit lower than my grades. It's like on the ground. What the hell is this? This is freaking awesome. Never seen that. Yo, this is clean. Holy shit.
Well, babe, your outfit matches the car.
The owner should give it to me. It's a present. Christmas is coming up. Is this Frankie's car right here? Is it? Kind of looks like it. Okay. I don't even like Supreme that much, but that is pretty badass. Frankie, where you at? Next up is a roll cage. I really want one for the Lexus. Hopefully we can get a sick one like this. Damn.
Perfect for me, look. You see that? Right for me.
I could see you in a little car like this.
Oh my
Damn.
God, it's so sick.
With the T-top. It's out of my price range. Oh, I finally get to see these in person. I actually want these wheels. Maybe I'll get these sooner than later, but this is exactly what I want. Concave, brush faces. That's a clean wheel. Someone laid this out for us. How thoughtful. Probably my favorite Miata ever. Holy shit. Oh, god damn. If I had all the money in the world, I would build one of these. Dude, brush wheels are just the move. I don't know if you guys can see it, but damn. This is the best yellow car here. Oh my god. Such a perfect color combo. I didn't even realize that 4 cars down is finding Nick's car from my car. I was like looking for his car, but it's literally right there. That's so crazy. Your beanie matches his car. I finally get to see his beast-ass wrap in person. Dude, this looks just like paint. Sheesh. Nick, where you at? Damn, this is a good wrap job. Guys, this seriously looks just like paint. I don't know what color this is, but it is awesome. So if you guys didn't know, I painted my Brembos myself, but I want to get it professionally done and have it like this. See how it's like an anodized red? It's not like a flat red. It matches like the car. What up, bro?
What's going on, bro?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too, bro.
Let's go check out your car.
All right.
Sheesh. Damn, bro, this shit is fire.
Thanks, bro. I like you too.
Damn. Damn. VIP, I'm about to go on a date with you.
It's a large, bro, and then let me get you some stickers.
Damn, thank you, bro. Oh. So it's this right here, right? Lone Star?
Yeah.
Let's go. Fuck yeah, thank you. Damn, 326 power? You a big baller. Alright, so we're 3 hours into the show and my car battery died. So we have nothing on. Homie over there is gonna jump start my car when we're done. Now without the lights on, it's just a normal black car. Damn, that's so crazy. Who has time to do all this? Like, that is so cool. Like, put the mirror down there so you can see the setup. Is it just me, or are the rivets for the wide bodies getting a lot bigger and more visible? I feel like a lot of people hated showing the rivets, and now everyone's just showing them off even more. That actually looks pretty cool. That is clean. Fitment is fire. Come on, guys, you already know. BBS the world. I love this car. Oof. The carbon hood. Oh, what are these Bombex mirrors? Jesus. This is the one that I want. This is the newer MR2. It has a rounder body. Damn, carbon up the butt. Literally. Maybe this could be the next project car someday. Oh, those are fire. Damn, that freaking center console carbon delete. It's pretty badass. Damn, look at this full cage right here. Sheesh. This thing is mint. Porsche. You guys having fun or what?
Oh yeah, brother.
Alright guys, I'll catch you at the next show. I'm out of here. Oh, my fucking battery's dead. Got him. These nuts. These nuts. Yo, this is so freaking sick.
Yo. Disney. 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 Disney.
These nuts.
Disney.
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 These nuts. Got him!
Yeah. Next car?
Yo, that S15 is clean as hell.
Didn't you guys want a drift car?
I will be down. I don't know if S14 or S15, but I was thinking an S14 would be sick, but this is clean. Clean beyond.
I'm gonna show you guys how to get sales when you have a booth at a car show.
Another year not going home with an award?
I didn't spend enough money.
God damn it. Especially with these paint chips.
Come on, bro.
We out of here. Awardless. As usual. When we bring Jason.
It's for the culture, bro.
It's for the culture. It's for the culture. Who's down to jump Jason's car?
I have cables.
Need a jump. See you back in the Vallejo, brother. You're on your own. Get your car jumped. Doses.
Hey guys, thank you again for having me.
Help.
So someone came through, jump started my car, but then we had to jump start that car too with my car. Sick ass R32, and he drifts it. That's so crazy. Sheesh. And that is all she wrote. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And for all of you who came out to the show, thank you for coming out and saying hi and just kicking it. It was great to see some familiar faces. And for all of those who couldn't make it, I know you could be out of state or you just couldn't go, whatever it may be. Maybe I'll catch you at the next one. There's always more opportunity for us to hang out, for you guys to see my car in person if you really want to. It was cool for a first Wekfest, however you pronounce it, I never know. It was dope. I really want to go to the San Jose one, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because I'd have to tow my car. I've done the drive out there before and it's not the best drive ever. And I don't think my friends wanna go because like Cyber Monday and Black Friday and all that stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. We are this close to 30,000 subs. I know that's not anything crazy, but to me it means the world. And I actually have some goodies coming in for the Lexus. Hopefully everything works out and I can, you know, make this car a little bit better and fall in love with it again. The ceramic coat is absolutely amazing. My car gets dirty way less. It seems to be easier to maintain. So if any of you guys have a black car, try ceramic coating. But that's pretty much gonna be it. I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.